This is mine. You can have the torches. Please move. What are you doing? Mommy? I want this stuff. Could you please move? You can have the torch. I didn't get the torch.
No, you told me to move. I was getting the torch. Hey.
That's better. Now I have stuff. Yes, stuff. I have stuffs.
Huh.
Bye. First of all, when you see a hole like that, do not jump in.
Why?
Most of the time you get
I could
stuck.
build an underground house right here.
Yes, you could.
It's
And
like-
then again, you can just dig a hole anywhere and build an underground house.
No, not underground, underwater. I mean, it's like pretty much already made.
Then, I need some help.
I'll help you in a minute. Give me a sec.
Where are you?
I'm coming out before I drown.
My mouse isn't, oh, okay. Okay, now I have dirt. Hold on, wait. Okay, now we mine this.
No, all we have to do
I
is
have
put
a
this
plan.
down, you goof.
I have a
I
plan.
have dirt.
Okay,
Just put the dirt down.
Cave.
I need wood, so I'm going this way.
There's a cave here.
There's a cave over here too, and this one's not made of sand, so it's not going to collapse on top of my head. Ooh, and water. I can make a house out of that instead.
That sounds like a good idea, guy. Oh, there are flowers by here too. And look,
It's almost meaningless right now.
you can dye a bed. Thanks for the wood.
You have wood. You got it from the dang chest. Find your own wood.
I have a crafting table. I made the advancement before you. Ooh, this place looks beautiful over here. And there's water here too. Mommy, this looks like a nice spot for an underground house. Ooh, iron!
Getting wood.
Iron!
Yes. And where's your pickaxe? Drowning boy.
Don't worry, I will get some stone.
What, do you have a pickaxe already?
Uh-huh. I have a pickaxe already, wait. But I don't have any cobblestone yet. Mining cobblestone! Mining cobblestone!
You're mining stone to get cobblestone.
Ahem. I want cobblestone. I want cobblestone. You know, it used to be the other way around. When you mined stone, you got stone. And you had to smelt it to get, cobblestone. Now I have enough to make a pick. Yep. Bunny! I do have the carrot. Bunny, come here. Bunny, be happy and come with me. Oh yes, Bunny. Bunny, get in the hole. Right there. That is unsuspicious and you just fell in. Bunny is funny. I will make it impossible to get in. Where do these trees grow?
Oh, Oh, a horse.
A horse? I saw that one.
It's a very pretty one.
It is. Sorry, Bunny, but you're gonna be stuck down there for eternity. Okay, now
Ooh, an apple.
it's time I think I should go mining. And look, here's a good mine. Ooh, look, iron. Woo, woo. Already, I'm making advancements like that. Boom. Wow.
Yeah, well, you're gonna die because you don't have a place to stay.
Heh, funny you say that. I can make emergency shelters. Mwah. They're really easy and simple to make.
Where's the hidden wood in here? Where are you anyway?
In a mine. Look for my name tag if you can see it. I have a hawk's eye when it comes to ores. What's that? I saw this iron. Brightness is up at max, but it doesn't work like night vision. But I don't have any permanent night vision potions, which I'm not cheating my way into permanent night vision, but I totally could if I wanted to. Yeah. I'm on top of the hill. Where are you? Oh, yeah. Ooh, by a lake. And oh yes, I have found the perfect spot for a house. Oh yeah, coal.
Right there? No.
No, not in the mine. No. But next to the mine, yes. Okay. Here, Mommy, where are you? Oh, I found you. I found you! I'm making an underground house, not an underwater house. Bread! Nom.
Wow.
What?
This place is cool. Go in the hole. You won't be able to breathe, so make sure you come back out. But pretty cool though, isn't it?
I found coal.
I did too, but I haven't
Whee!
mined it yet because I wanted to do something else.
No! Oh yeah, it takes longer to mine underwater. Yeah. Thanks for the coal.
Dude, are you freaking kidding me?
Yes. Jump.
I mined all that jazz.
I mined some coal of my own.
You're a mooch.
I'm a mooch. What are you gonna do about it? You can't kill me and get back your stuff and some extra stuff. You can't.
I wasn't gonna try. Quit getting in the way of my mining, dude.
I'm going to build my own place. Hoo-ah, hoo-ah, hoo-ah. Ahem. Hello? Oh, no, Mommy. Bad news.
You made it froze.
I know, it froze it on me. It's not working.
Oh, good. I'm gonna go pretend to beat you to death. What the heck?
Friendly fire is on.
Well, even if
I mean,
it wasn't,
off.
I can't do anything. I can't even mine.
Yeah,
What?
and
I can?
the computer froze.
I can mine again. Get you.
Ooh, I'm back in.
Look, we made it through night magically. That was funny. Did you froze again?
No, I didn't froze. Maybe you did froze? You know what? I'm gonna choose somewhere else. This spot is too gravelly for me. Yeah. Ooh, this is a nice spot.
I hear an Indy.
Oh no. Oh no.
Lure him over to my house.
He's already right here. Right next to me, right above you.
Oh, cool.
He just teleported away.
Come on, Indy.
Oh! I almost looked him directly in the eyes.
I'll look
That,
him in the eyes. Where is he?
he teleported again. I don't...
Hey, Indy. Right over here, bud. Right here. Looky.
You're
Looky,
staring
I got your
into his
cookie.
eyes?
Come on, Indy. Come and get me.
Come and get me. Come and get me. I want to stare into your eyes.
Where'd he go?
Yeah, where'd he go? Whoa! He's angry at... It looked like he was angry at me.
Oh, he was angry.
Oh, okay. He is right there. Whoa. Okay.
Come on and get me. I know you're mad. Come and get me.
Don't get him angry at me. I'm looking into your eyes, Andy, man. That's not the best sound, is it?
Oh, I don't mind hearing it. Oh, you put your block down. Come on, Andy.
Well, okay, Andy, don't hurt me, please. Don't hurt. Oh, no, creepy.
Okay.
Okay. I can't sprint. I must eat this. Oh, creepy. Oh, dear. Is creepy followy?
I don't know.
Creepy is not followy.
Don't
Good.
let him over here, though. I don't want to die.
He's right on your roof.
That's cool. Just don't make him explode.
He's looking down at your name tag.
Here?
This isn't super good. Ugh.
You can look all you want.
As long
No,
as...
you want me.
I need food. Mommy, should I set the time today? Oh, yeah. Bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Sorry it came to such a short end, but, you know, I never like these endings with this thing on. Okay. Bye, guys. Okay. Good